Okay, Karsten, if you've ever wondered what animals sound like when they speak Gaelic, now you're going to find out. Fumian and Anavian, the sounds of animals. On Losken, crack, crack. Aha, on Losken, a grackle. Crack, crack. On Losken. The frog. On Tunic, vaak, vaak. Ha, on Guachach, on Tunic. Vaak, vaak. Ha, on Guachach, on Tunic. And if it sounds like all the animals are saying the same things in the same voice, I speak a little Gaelic, but not much duck and frog or anyway. We'll go on. And Finnick gra. Fuck, fuck. Hurstanenek. Shimeen. She monien an ishik vek. She monien an ishik vek. Okay. She is my little girl, my daughter, the little chick, an ishik vek, an finnick agra, thak, thak. Fuilik, click, click, arson ilik, lia sa kuun geel. Okay. Leah is Coon Gale. Leah is a kind of grayish, bluish color. Coon Gale, soft white. Arsen Ulik, Fuilik. Fiek. Grok, 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 grok. Arsen Fiek. Sanur Varaf na Aika. Okay. In the dead hour of the night. Okay. Fiech. An eelar. Click, click. Click, click. Something like that. An eelar skriekel. She ban hierna an aher. She the mistress, the lady, the Banhirna, the woman lord of the air, an eelar, a skriakal. Click, click. Ishin. Pick, pick, pickin. A bee chick, nahishinen. Ishin, chicks, okay. Pick, pick, pickin. A bee chick, nahishinen. And a muck. Or avuk. Okay, it's a feminine word, muk, so to be avuk. Okay, muk, gral. Avuk, a brunto. Okay, gral. Okay. And kalakaicha. Shihoo, shihoo. A kalakaicha agorach. Okay. So, Gaelic Aika, owl, you know it as owl, in English anyway. Old woman of the night, Gaelic Aika, okay? Agorach. Shihoo, shihoo. Bo, agra, mo, mo. Okay? Hurstambo. She agiri konlach, and she wanting straw. Mo, mo, Hurstambo. Akura. May, may. Hanakurach ageach. Okay, hanakurach, plural for kura. Okay, sheep. May. May. Okay. On Loven. Hooah. Hooah. On Loven a Burachach. Okay. On Loven a Burachach. Hooah. Hooah. On Ku. Off. Na coin a Jennifer Korst Satavan. Off. An coo. An cat. Meow. An cat a coon. Okay. The cat cries out, complains. A coon. Okay. Meow. An cullach do. Douched. Should be douched. Hushed and cullach do. On Culliman. Guru. On Culliman a durtle. On Culliman. On Kirk. Gokok. A kirk a grogel. Gokok. A kirk a gogel. Kirk. A Mukhvara. Dulach. Mukhvara. Okay. Kushlo. And maybe it goes something like Kushli. No, wouldn't be high pitched, be low pitched, right? Okay. Kushlo. Mukhvara gal ora namara. The whale sings the song of the sea. Kushlo. So listen to whale sounds. They're just beautiful. They're wondrous. Kushlo. And that's how they say it in Gaelic. So, Tapalata Karsten. I hope you enjoyed that. And subscribe. I'm posting a whole bunch of stuff about Gaelic. Our weekly lessons. Try to cut out sections of grammar and things of interest, stories and folklore of interest. So so stay in touch. Stay in tune. Okay. Kushlo. Okay. Akira.